I have a Motorola DP3600. It's a UHF which I'm gonna switch on. As you can see, we have a problem with the display units. Totally 80% of the screen is a blank screen, so we are unable to see which channel we are in, and we are unable to change the parameters also. I mean the settings, radio settings. It's a blank screen there. On the right you can see only the battery indicator, which how many persons are there, and then radio lock screen, the indications are there. So I'm gonna change the display for this radio. I have a new display. It's not new, it's I took it from other radio. This is the one. I'm gonna change this display with this radio. Let's see how I'm replacing now. To remove the display, we have to dismantle all the units. So for we have to remove the antenna, power and channel knob. Behind we have a battery, so we have to remove that battery also. Then below we can find two screw. We have to unscrew that. Make sure you remove the power knob and then channel knobs. So after I unscrew, so gently we have to lift up below, as you can see. So it's just a slide out. Gently you have to slide out. So when we are sliding out, we have to be careful because the bus strips are there. It's just a pin type. It's not gonna be break, but don't break the PCB there. So I just unplugged. So that's it. You can see this. So now to remove the display, no need to remove these screws and or nothing. So just you can see there is a two stainless steel locking types. So you just lift up, then the display unit will come out. So I will show you how you can lift up this. You have to just, that's it. Then the other side you can slide out, and below also you can see the strips. It's like a connector type, just a plug and play type. You just gently press and it will come out. So that's it. Our old display is out now, so nothing to repair this. We just throw out. So now we have a new one. I check with the magnifier, there is no burn mark, dust, nothing. Also check the connectors. The connector is good, no damage, anything. So we're gonna place it. Gently have to place and just press it. Then the reverse type you have to follow that. Just place on the other side and then just press. You can hear the click sound. Yeah, that's it. It's on there. Before to box up, make sure the display is working. So I'm gonna use the battery to connect back, and then I'm gonna power on now. Just power on. We're gonna see how the display is working. Look like it's okay. We have all the texts. So let's change the channel to see how the characters is okay, because sometimes the character will not be completed. Channel 5, channel 6, channel 7. Okay, look like okay. Okay, let's see, we can box it up now. So let's see, is there any deficiencies there or not. Okay, make it off. Just gently remove the battery. It's very difficult, we have to be careful, otherwise we're going to destroy the radio. Okay, after I remove the battery, I'm going to plug in back again the keypad, PCB and speakers and all. Just place on this type and then just plug in. It's take time for me, almost minutes. Yes, so that's it. Check it one more time whether it's properly connected or not. Then same, you have to slide in gently. There is a slots there, so we have to be careful when we are sliding in, otherwise the speaker contact will not be on the right place, so we cannot hear anything on there. It's gonna transmit the signal, but we will not receive the signal because the speaker is not yet properly connected, right? So that's why. So just press. Then now we have to put the screw back. After I box up the radio, I put back the antenna and power knob and channel knobs. We're gonna back the battery, then try to switch it on. So now we're gonna switch on. Yeah, so we are in channel 1 now. So now we are able to see the channels and to change the settings, that means the text. So battery, remaining capacity, yes, back. Okay, first use, service life, remaining capacity. Service is 30%, remaining capacity. Yes, I think you guys are able to see the text. There is a firmware package. Let's go again. First use 16th August 2019. And service life 30%. Yeah. So that's it, guys. This radio is ready to use. It's already pre-programmed, so I'm not gonna change any program or something. It's ready to use it.